of our area, Your Honor.
She is holding office in the central office.
No, Your Honor. She is holding her office in our Acropolis branch, Your Honor.
And what did you tell your assistant vice president?
I narrated to her what happened. And then...
Please narrate what happened. How did you report it?
Okay. Just like... I reported to her that there was a visit from Congressman Banal, and then I told her almost all, Your Honor, almost all that I've mentioned last time. That,
I want it repeated into the records to clear this whole thing.
Okay. So on January 31, it was around a little after 12:30 or around 1 p.m. There was a visit from Congressman Banal, and then I thought that he was gonna open an account with me, so I asked him if I could assist him. But at that time that he was still waiting for me in the lobby, I was still assisting two customers who were opening an account. So I approached him after my branch service and control officer told me that Councilor Banal is seated in the lobby. And then I approached him and I told him that I cannot assist you right now because I'm still assisting other customers. If you want, I can let my BSCO attend to you. He said that he will wait for me.
Was he alone?
He was alone, Your Honor.
No companion? No.
No companion.
Okay.
And then while I finished the transactions of my clients who were at my table, I went to him and told him that I'm already done with my clients and that we could already talk, if he could go to my table to talk. So when he was seated, we exchanged some chit-chats about the transfer of the branch, because the branch of Katipunan branch was previously located in the middle. This new location is now very near Miriam. So things like that. And then
after your conversation, what happened?
Yes, I asked him, what can I do for you? So I again asked him if he will open an account. I said, no. Actually, he said that he's already a representative and that he's no longer a counselor. So I apologized for addressing him wrongly. And then, so he said that, I actually recall, Your Honor, that he said that he was assigned, I think by the Speaker, to the Secretariat. And then, I was not able to mention it last week, but I remember him asking about the raffle. And then if we still had records with us on the raffle. Said, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. I don't have any information. It was a long time ago. We don't have records of that. And then, then he said, I asked him how, before that, nung tinanong ko siya that, when I asked him pala if he will open an account.
Tagalogin mo na lang para maintindihan ng madla.
Sige. Anyway, Your Honor, I'm okay. When I asked him if he was gonna open an account, he said no nga, and that he was assigned to the Secretariat. So what can I do for you? And then he asked about the raffles and I said, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. I cannot disclose anything. And then he said, if you can just help me on your personal capacity, and he was holding these pieces of paper, and then it was folded, and then he showed them to me partly. Since it was folded, he opened it partly, and his hand was partly covering the document or the paper.
Sinabi sa'yo,
Apo.
pwede mo ba akong tulungan dito sa papel na ito?
Yes. He said it in a general way, Your Honor. He said it, if you can help me on a personal basis. What do you mean by that? Because I cannot say anything about any account if you are asking for that. Then he said, he just immediately showed me.
Bakit mo tinanong yun na I cannot help you about any account?
Kasi parang nagtatanong siya, Your Honor, about a raffle, and then
About?
kung nanalo ba si CJ Corona, ganun.
Oo.
Parang I recall him mentioning that already. And then, that's why I said I cannot help him. And then, on a personal basis daw, pag-guide lang, ganito. If this is $1, if this is 7, if this is a K, mga ganon.
Oh.
And the document, the photocopy, was really blurred, Your Honor. And I was so shocked to see that the form was a PS Bank. It resembled the form of the PS Bank customer information specimen signature card. We call it CISSC, or for short, signature card. And then, while I was scanning it, kasi nga it was partly covered, I scanned it around that area which she was pointing, and then I saw the name of Renato Corona.
So he was asking precisely about the account of a specific person.
Based on the photocopy that he was showing.
Kaya nga, ang tinatanong niya ay walang iba kung hindi account ni Chief Justice Corona.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Pagkatapos nung konversasyon ninyo, usapan ninyo, anong ginawa mo?
After he left, I called my area head.
Gaano katagal siya pala doon sa'yo?
Parang he was there for mga 10 to 20 minutes, I think.
O sige, pagkatapos noon, anong ginawa mo?
After he left, Your Honor, I was parang shocked. I just stayed in my table, and then I called my
Bakit ka na siya?
because I was holding a photocopy of what seemed to be like a signature card.
Of your bank?
Yes, I asked him before he left where he got it, but he did not disclose. He just said that I can tell you if you will help us.
O ngayon?
And then I was trying to get hold of the paper that he was holding so I could further examine it, Your Honor, to really verify if that was indeed our signature card or something that resembled our document.
Ngayon?
But he did not give it to me.
Okay.
So,
Pagkatapos ng usapan ninyo, tumawag ka dun sa Assistant Vice President.
right after, Your Honor, kinausap ko muna yung BSCO ko. And then, I told her that, can you please check if the documents are still there? It was lunchtime, so medyo...
Ano yung sabi mo na, can you please check if the document is still there? Ano ibig mo sabihin?
I wanted to check kasi, Sir, Your Honor, from what I recall, from what I saw on the photocopies that he showed me, if it was also there in our record.
Yung dokumento ninyo, nakaparis nung ipinakita sa iyo, ay nandun pa sa inyong lalagyan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pwede bang ma-access yung Vice President, Assistant Vice President,
I
doon
talked.
sa vault?
Your Honor, I was still talking to the branch service and control officer, my assistant,
Ang
at that
kausap-
time, before I called my
Kaya nga,
area.
teka muna. Ang kausap mo, ang unang kinausap mo yung control officer,
Yes, Your Honor.
yung ikaw ang alternate.
Yes, Your Honor.
At tinanong mo sa kanya kung nandun pa yung dokumento na ipinakita sa iyo ni Congressman Banal na halos nakapareho sa iyong akala noong dokumento ninyo sa vault.
Your Honor,
No,
Yes.
tinatanong lang kita para madalian ang usapan natin. Gano'n ba?
basta I told her, Your Honor, na pwede bang tingnan natin yung, yung records lang. Kasi, we were just wondering how he got.
Kaya nga,
Photocopy.
tinanong mo kung nandun pa yung record
Isa yun,
pinaglalagyan ninyo.
Opo.
Dahil nababahala ka,
Yes, po.
dahil may pinakita sa yung dokumento na kaparis ng dokumento na yun.
Well, I'm sure naman, Your Honor, that it was there.
Tinatanong lang kita iya. Huwag kang nenervyusin, hindi kita ilalagay sa alanganin. Tinatanong lang kita para maklarify ito.
Yeah, I was sure that it was inside, but the records, Your Honor, but I wanted to see for myself also.
Kaya nga,
Yes.
tinanong mo,
Yes, po.
hindi malklaro yung sa kwan mo eh. Kinaklaro ko. Tinanong mo yung control officer na tingnan kung nandun pa yung dokumento ninyo sa loob ng steel vault.
No, Your Honor. I said, let's please